Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Bitcoin Cash, nice, really igniting bar move today. Stopped at the end of the clear path and this 37.5% retracement level right around 1265 twice, pulled back a little. Actually, if you were watching the 1 hour, you could see where the rotation zone hit on there, then exploding higher. So next level, we had the return to the highs, updated the pullback levels, and we had a GAN level also up here that combined at 1331, and that level was from these lows to this pause bar high that pulled back, gave us the next target 1331. Now we have 1379 to 1395 little zone in there, and then 1428 to 1434. That's going to be major resistance. It was also close to a breakdown zone and a 50% retracement from this major sell-off. Keep that in mind. Now if it does pull back right now, is getting a little extended on a 4-hour time frame from the rotation zone. Major support coming in at 1160, minor support coming in right around the 1238 levels. Let's check in on the daily chart for it. Daily chart, expand this so we can see it better. Daily chart clearly through the 8 EMA right now. The upper end, that 1434 area, now corresponding with the declining 21, so that's going to be a major target area. Pay very close attention to that. Switching over to Bitcoin Gold. Bitcoin Gold, from the lows up to the high over here, the prior high, we had the 110 level and then the 115 spiking just above there, then essentially stopping at 115, also where the declining 50-period exponential moving average was. Has not been able to push. We seem to be getting lots of sellers up here. That's a very key level. Now, first level for a pullback, this 106, which we're going to get the rising 8 coming into there. And then the major level we'll be watching for is about 100 to 101. Really don't want to close below the 100 level, or we'll start watching for another bigger pullback. Right now, next level's higher. So we have this about 121, then we'll be watching for 125, then 129. Keep in mind 129 is right at the end of a clear path. Let's check in on the daily levels. Let me expand it so we can see it. All right, daily level, right now we're getting this major resistance. You can see here at the 8 EMA, it's popped above it, but it can't get above it. We'll be seeing if it can close above that. Then we'll be watching for these next major target areas. If it can't close back, we'll be watching for a pullback again to the levels I described in the 4-hour video. Switching over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin pushed again higher, holding resistance at the 50-period exponential moving average on the 4-hour. If it breaks above there, the next, besides returning to the high, 8648, the next major cluster area is now 8788 to 8800, so really that 8800 level. Then the next target above that is the 9095 or 9100 level. These gain levels are just, we have a cluster up here, and they just happen to correspond nicely to the round numbers. Now, we're going to be watching for key support coming in about 7986, bottom of the rotation zone, and a 25% pullback from this last major move up. If we break below that, major support coming in at the cluster about 7550 area. Now, it's still early, but I have a potential double top. This is looking a bit toppy. We are getting some divergences up here. Just as in the bottom, you can use these for either taking some profits or aggressively moving up a stop, expecting a pullback. So, if we do pull back and close below, give you the exact price, below 75.35, that would trigger this double top, and those levels would be 70.58, 68.19, and then 65.81. Keep that in mind if this can't sustain the rally. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart, spreading out. All right, so you see here against the EMA, major resistance against that EMA. Tried to pop up multiple times and can't get above it. So what would be most bullish for Bitcoin now is to get a close on today's bar back above there. Then we'll really be targeting these, and that would put us clearly in the middle of the declining rotation zone, which doesn't mean we're out of the woods. It just means, hey, it got through past its first hurdle, so we can watch for the major targets within the rotation zone. And the next major one, besides these minor ones I outlined earlier, the next major one would be this 50% retracement from this massive sell-off. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, and Bitcoin. We will talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.